What's going on at Amazon? I just got delivered in the mail the 4K dash cam from the only REDTIGER. Now, here's the deal, y'all. What I wanted to do is I wanted to do a full unboxing, show you guys exactly what it looks like when you get it delivered in the mail. But y'all, this thing is a winner. I've seen so many great reviews on it, and I am so excited about this product. So obviously, the main one is you got the camera. What I love about their packaging, y'all, is that this is all nice and protected. As you guys can tell, this is where the lens is. Y'all, it's all protected. It's all good there. And y'all, what's awesome about this is 4K, and it's got this really nice LCD on the back. I'm gonna peel this off to where you guys can see. Oh, that was satisfying. Look at how big this LCD is, y'all. See how long across this is? This is absolutely incredible. I am so excited about this bad boy because, y'all, my wife and I are always driving and we don't want to get screwed with all this insurance craziness that's going around. And so we thought that we need to get a dash cam. And what's really nice about this is not only do you have this next attachment, which is the ability to lock this in, right? But what's awesome is I believe, yeah, it's just a lot. It should just snap right in. Y'all, I'm not gonna lie to you. I do need to look at the actual instruction manual because, anyways, sometimes I'm not really the best with doing these without looking at the instructions, but they do have this really nice seal press grip right here. So you're just able to lock this in, which is awesome. But what I also love about this is not only, so this is just for the front side, right? But then, obviously on this other side, right, I should have showed the packaging. On this other side, this is where you get the manual to set it up. We're gonna leave that for right now, but they've also got this huge amount of cabling because, y'all, you also get a back camera. So this right here is your back camera. What's awesome about that is if somebody runs into you, right, you've got the ability to film it because you've got a camera right here. That boom right here is the adhesive that attaches, and as you can see, look at how long this cable is. So all this cable runs through your car and it gets plugged directly in to your camera, right? It all links into one. As you guys can see, I plug it in right down here. Boom, shakalaka, good to go. So it plugs into the bottom and now you've got everything linked up. Now, what's also nice is that your other side, which is right here, you've got tons of cable and it goes through USB. So it keeps it all nice and tucked. Here, I'm just gonna open this and show this to you guys really quick, just so you guys can see. Y'all, this thing is really great. And they thought about cable management with how they do this, right? Because everything goes, it buckles into the bottom underneath. So when this thing is set up, it's gonna be set like this, and you've got your USB, which we'll do it on the right side here, just like this. So you've got USB that goes one way, it goes up through the car, and then this side, this gets plugged in on the bottom right here, and this goes on the other side. So it makes it very minimal, as you guys can see, right? If this was set up, it would be set like this, and then the cables would go along each side and perfectly route into your, for this one, it would go into your cigarette charger. And then for this other one, it's obviously gonna run to the back of your car and get plugged in that way. So definitely am super excited. Oh, always wanna shout this out. They've got a tool to where it'll actually help you to where you don't have to like rip apart your paneling in your car. So that makes it really awesome. Super simple process when it comes to installation. I'll probably do another video once I actually install this into my car and show you guys. Maybe I'll try to film some of the behind the scenes just to see, you know, how difficult it is. But overall, I think that this is really great. They give you like, they make it pretty dummy proof when it comes to installing this. And I love that you get the camera on both sides. You get the rear view camera and you also get the camera for your front windshield, which is more on the front side, just to protect you guys from all sorts of liability. So again, I'm gonna leave this all packaged up, but I want to show you guys, I'm so excited about it. It's kind of an early Christmas present for me, and so I figured, you know what, let's just show it to the team, show you guys how it all comes when you get it delivered, and then obviously we're going to be setting this up really soon. So anyways, I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Really wanted to show you, give a good breakdown of what it looks like when it gets delivered to you. I definitely recommend, if you guys are at all on the fence about this product, seriously, don't be. It's really great. I love the packaging. Again, this is pretty much exactly what it looked like when it came in the box, obviously other than the wrapping and different things. But y'all, I am so excited to be installing this bad boy and getting this thing set up. So hopefully this video is helpful. Want to do a deep dive into the unboxing, show you guys exactly what you get. Have a great day with your Amazon shopping. Give this thing an ad. Give it a try.